Hey guys, in this lecture we are going to position our title into our 3D slideshow space. So let's go to scene number 1 and let's add our title in here. Drag it above our light leak layer here and make it a 3D layer. And now we have to position it. So let's see the position here. Go to 5 seconds and 9 frames. Select the title layer and press P to reveal the position control. Maybe position it at about -2000. Then hit S on keyboard and scale it up a bit. And maybe position it a little bit better by dragging it here. Something like that. Now I will rotate it a bit to add a bit more depth here. So I will select the layer and press R on keyboard to reveal the rotation properties. Then set the Y rotation to 15 degrees. Now let's click on the RAM preview and see how this will play. Looks very interesting. Maybe we can decrease the opacity of our light leaks a bit. And also I'll go to my Title 1 composition and make the animation a little bit slower by dragging these keyframes here and ease them. Now let's see what we have got now. Let's click on the RAM preview. This looks perfect to me. Now let's quickly add a title to our second scene as well. Scene 2. So select Title 1 in the project panel and press Ctrl or Command Z to create a duplicate. Then double-click to open it. I'll change the colors here for each watercolor stain layer. This looks good. And now I'll go to my Scene 2 composition and drag Title 2 composition down here. Place it on top of our light leaks layer. Then I'll go to 5 seconds and 9 frames. Enable 3D to Title 2 composition layer. Select it and hit P on keyboard to reveal the position control. Then set the Z position value to -2000. And then scale it up a bit. So press S to reveal the scale control. Then I'll drag it down here at the left for better positioning. Then press R to get the rotation control And this time, I'll set the Y rotation value to -15 degrees. I will also change my text here to Title 2. Now let's go to our main composition here and click on the RAM preview to see the final look to our Parallax photo slideshow. Great! So now you can take it from here and create your own Parallax slideshow. I hope that you can work on your own, and if you want to, you can upload it on YouTube and paste the link on the discussion board so you could all see it. In the next lecture, I'll quickly show you the best settings to export your project from After Effects. So I'll see you there.